ShePad is a project of the Kerala government initiated and conceptualized by Kerala State Women's Development Corporation Limited and implemented by HLL Life Care Limited for the school students. The primary objective of this project is to remove the misconception amongst adolescent girls regarding menstruation and to impart fresh knowledge in them. We are implementing the project in 3 levels. At the first level, hygienic and quality sanitary napkins are given to the girl students. At the second level, napkin incinerators are distributed as per the guidelines of Pollution Control Board. At the third level, the orientation classes are conducted to convey the message to the students that menstruation is just a natural process and it is not to be taken with contempt. We are getting support to implement these programs from the Central Public Sector Unit HLL Life Care Limited. Awareness classes are conducted with the Government of Kerala funds. Local self-government institutions funds are used for procurement of napkins and incinerators. Currently, ShePad project has been completed in 1,200 schools. We expect to complete the distribution in other government and government-aided schools also at the earliest. We also expect to complete the awareness programs in 250 schools this year and in another 750 schools the following year. We acknowledge the support of local self-government institutions, Government of Kerala and HLL Life Care in implementing this project. In the initial phase, the project led by expert doctors has already been implemented in 250 schools covering 8 districts. The various activities of the project are being implemented through experiential learning methods. The topics are introduced through various methods like pre-test, animation videos, awareness classes by expert doctors, slideshow, interactive sessions, conveying the messages through art forms like magic shows, puppet show, etc., and conducting post-test to understand if the students have learned from the program. Today, you're going to listen to a class on menstrual hygiene. We will carry out this session in 4 steps. First, we will do a pre-test. Second, a video presentation. After that, we will cover 3 topics: mental and physical growth during adolescence, menstruation and fertilization. We will also discuss on how to dispose the used pad safely. Then, we will learn a few more things on the topic through an entertainment program. Finally, we will have a post-test, that is, to know whether you have understood the concept correctly. Illustration tools like animation videos are used by doctors to explain the menstrual hygiene subject in a simple way. In this section, the doctor covers the topics such as menstrual cycle, process of fertilization and pregnancy. ShePad is a program implemented jointly by Kerala State Women's Development Corporation Limited and HLL Life Care Limited. The team of doctors and magicians who has taken the class has done a great job by making students understand the topics in a simple and easy way. The second phase of this project was inaugurated by Ms. K.S. Salika, the chairperson of Kerala State Women's Development Corporation Limited at Government Girls High School, Malayangizhi. The report on first phase of the project was submitted to Kerala State Women's Development Corporation Limited by Shri E. A. Subramanian, HLL Life Care Limited Director, Technical and Operations. Through this project, we are able to create an awareness on menstrual hygiene through a healthy intervention, especially in these times when girls mature at an early age. Kerala State Women's Development Corporation Limited is grateful to intervene amongst the young girls and give solace to their mental stress through this project. We are also extremely happy to join hands with HLL Life Care Limited, who have been doing a great job in this field. HLL is implementing the comprehensive menstrual hygiene awareness program in the aspirational districts of Raichur and Yadgir in the state of Karnataka with the support of CSR funds of Mangalore Refinery Petrochemicals Limited. Further to this, we seek support from government institutions, CSR division of government bodies and corporates to implement more such programs to ensure that this message reaches across the globe.